हाय गाइस वेलकम टू इनसाइक्लो हब। इसमें हम बात करने वाले हैं मनोन्मयम सुंदरनार यूनिवर्सिटी इंटरनल असाइनमेंट फॉर एमए जर्नलिज्म एंड एम मास कम्युनिकेशन। बिफोर स्टार्टिंग दिस I want to share something. This is my number. WhatsApp number is 9009368 Kindly save this number for future purpose. You can take help from us any kind of services like solve assignments, solve project, lab assignments. Wherever you are facing the problems in your study, you can contact us anytime. Now let's discuss about the paper. So basically, this is paper has two questions. Subject code is SJMM11. So you can see two questions are there. Similarly, in SJMM12, two questions are there. SJME11, two questions are there. SJME12, two questions. Okay, so if you are looking for these answers, contact us anytime. We will provide all the answers accordingly on your WhatsApp. And if you want any type of help, contact us. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon on the WhatsApp.